All right, I'm gonna do a quick video right here. As you see, you probably see my other videos of my Glock 23 MOS Gen 5. It feels great, 40 cal, clear, but I like to spice it up a little bit. You see I got a little green dot, red dot thing in the front sight. So what I bought was a MagWell. I like MagWells. All right, let's try this one out. All right, I actually bought this one for about $15. $15, I saw this online. It was the cheapest one. I said, let me try this one. It's plastic, made out of plastic. Pretty much straightforward to stick it on. Got a great fit. There you go. Now it's on there. All right, before I put the screw in, let me see how it feels. Oh, wait up. Feel some type of resistance. See, it doesn't pop all the way out. It gets jammed in there. Let me put the screw in just to make sure. All right, screw is in there. It actually feels good on the hand. Uh-oh, it's not coming out. Oh my gosh. It's not coming out at all. What the heck? All right. I'm gonna be a little honest with y'all. I bought this last week. Like I said, I paid $15 for it, probably on $15 to $13. I can't remember exactly how much I paid. However, I had problems. I bought it, got the cheapest one. It did not fit well. So what I did was, I ordered a $100 one. This was like maybe about I want to say 89 bucks. You know, so it's like triple the cost, almost 4 times the cost. But this is made out of metal. It feels like some type of, I don't know, some type of metal. It's hard, it's not plastic. Let me try this one on now. Something tells me this is gonna fit a lot better, but we're about to find out. It went in there nice and smooth. Let me just put it in. Oh, look at that. Look how smooth it is. Now I'm gonna put this screw in. All right, now let's see. Let's see how it is. Oh my goodness, you get what you pay for. Look at this. This is about, like I said, about 80 bucks. Maybe. I know I get discounts. I get law enforcement discounts and stuff like that. So I want to say this runs about 80 bucks. But look at the difference. Oh my goodness. Oh, plastic one was horrible. But yeah, I got the screw in. Now let me put, this is a live mag. This is my carry weapon. I was using a empty mag to test it out. Now put a live mag in there. Perfect. 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 This is a reminder, you get what you paid for. I'm very happy with it, even though I wasted about 20 bucks ordering the other one. Good thing shipping and handling was low, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, sometimes buying the cheap things doesn't work. But yeah, this feels good in the hand. This actually give my pinky a little bit of rest on it. I got somewhere to go, but yeah, I'm happy with it. Very happy. Gadgety up. Oh, time to go back in my holster. Peace.